India's remarkable ascent as the most rapidly growing economy in the world is a testament to a confluence of factors, chief among them being the visionary policies and proactive governance under the leadership of the Modi government. First and foremost, India's demographic dividend, with a burgeoning workforce and a youthful population, presents a unique opportunity for sustained economic growth. The government has recognized this potential and has been instrumental in channeling it effectively. Investments in infrastructure, particularly in sectors like transportation, energy, and digital connectivity, have laid the groundwork for economic expansion. Initiatives like Make in India and Digital India have bolstered manufacturing and technology sectors, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. The Modi government's focus on ease of doing business and regulatory reforms has attracted foreign investment and encouraged domestic entrepreneurs to thrive. Streamlining of processes, simplifications of tax regimes, and introduction of landmark reforms like the Goods and Services Tax, which is also called GST, have created a more conducive environment for business growth. Furthermore, the government's emphasis on financial inclusion and social welfare programs has empowered marginalized communities and bolstered consumer spending initiatives like Jan Dhan Yojana, Ayushman Bharat, and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan have not only improved living standards but also stimulated economic activity. In the realm of agriculture, reforms such as the Agriculture Produce Market Committee APMC Act and the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act have aimed to modernize the sector, increase farmer income, and enhance productivity. The focus on irrigation, crop insurance, and agriculture infrastructure has further propelled growth in the rural economy. The Modi government's commitment to fiscal discipline and macroeconomic stability has instilled confidence among investors and stakeholders, contributing to India's attractiveness as an investment destination. Prudent fiscal management coupled with targeted spending on key sectors has ensured sustainable growth. Moreover, the government's proactive approach in leveraging technology for governance and service delivery has improved efficiency, transparency, and accountability. Initiatives like Direct Benefit Transfer (DBT) and the National Digital Health Mission have revolutionized service delivery and enhanced the ease of living for citizens. While challenges remain, including geopolitical uncertainties and global economic fluctuations, India's trajectory as the fastest growing economy in the world is a testament to the resilience, dynamism, and vision of the Prime Minister Modi government.